Are you looking for affordable real estate in a struggling economy? Aren't we all? Well, check out our brand new listing, Heartlake City Apartments and Stores. Cozy apartments in a vibrant neighborhood. You'll absolutely adore the convenient amenities right downstairs and community spaces, I hear you ask? Well, hello, Pottery Studio. The sweet smell of roasting ceramic. And when your cat gets stuck in a tree, emergency services are always on hand to, well, lend a hand. Enjoy the serene green park spaces, which are ample in this pet-friendly neighborhood right next door to a cafe. What's inside, I hear you ask? Well, the most delicious cupcake in town, barring possibly the ones from the Cupcake Cafes. So maybe these cupcakes are sourced from there, I don't know. Head on upstairs to the terrace where you can grab a freshly squeezed glass of lemonade made from lemons grown right here on the premises while enjoying stunning evenings on the balconette overlooking the piazza. Piazza not included. Curious about our ceramic studio? Come on inside and take a peek. Say hello to Gina, our local ceramics expert, getting ready to fire her cup in the kiln. We even have a turntable for tiny clay things. Excellent. The Laundromat is conveniently situated right downstairs from the two apartments. Never again will you need to turn your undies inside out for second day wear. Check out this amazing purple ironing board which slightly blocks the doorway, and the washing and dryer machines which actually work. Disclaimer, these do not work. They turn, but they neither wash nor dry your clothes. Do you love cats? Well, meet Petch at number 46. He loves cats too. Well, I hope he does because he owns 3. The bedroom and bathroom in this apartment are charmingly cozy, aka very small. But when nap time calls, there's room for everybody. Apartment number 48 is perfectly sized for a small family with convenient stairs for easy stroller access. The newly outfitted kitchen comes with a handy cleaver for salad chopping and child rearing, and the upstairs single bedroom fits everybody. Absolutely perfect for extroverts who have no need for personal space, though you can find some private time on your personal balcony or upstairs in the attic. Ideal to hide away with your unfulfilled dreams and ambitions. So do not wait, this exclusive property will not be on the market for long. For further inquiries, call Heartlake Central Real Estate on the number listed above, but do not call it because it is not a real number and this is not a real estate. Buy your own Lego sets from wherever you buy your Lego, and thanks, bye.